Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about a few ways for decorating a child's bedroom on a budget. When starting any project where a child is concerned, it would be a great idea if you get them involved. What you need to remember is that this is their room, and you want the space to reflect just who they are and what they love. Number 1. When decorating a child's room, choose the wall color carefully. It is important that you pick a color that matches the theme that you have chosen to make sure that everything complements and looks like they belong together. Number 2. If you want to add a splash of color to a child's room and do not want to repaint, then add a solid colored rug. Number 3. As curtains can be expensive, get a blind instead. Then hang a sheer panel in front of it and add some color to it by painting it with fabric paints. Number 4. You can personalize something for their walls, maybe using photographs of them and the family and pets into a collage. Number 5. Create a comfort zone for them. All you need are some big pillows or inflatable chair. But make sure that it is something your child will enjoy sitting on and relaxing in. If you want them to use this area for reading, then put some shelves or colorful plastic bins nearby to place some books in. I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.